Gentlemen, you can wear makeup too. It's not just for the ladies. I'm a guy and my skin isn't perfect, so these are the 5 products I use to help. First product is the CoverGirl Concealer in shade Fair. After concealer, I use a matte powder foundation, and this is shade Golden Beige. After that, I use a translucent setting powder to get rid of some texture. Then, just to warm up the skin again, I like to use a bronzer in shade Deep Beige and a little bit of blush. Very small amount of blush. Now, I understand makeup was originally used for women, but why can't guys use it? We're expected to have perfect skin, and I just think that's unrealistic. I want my skin to look nice, and I don't think there needs to be necessarily anything feminine about using makeup. So hopefully you agree, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So the reason I put the concealer here in these areas is because we want to make like a circle of light around the face to keep that area of the face bright. I also put it on any acne I have or any blemishes just to get rid of some redness and cover those up. So that's everything blended out there. So after the concealer, I take the powder foundation, dip my little sponge in there, and I just go like in the corners of the forehead, and I kind of round out. I go around where we just made that ring of light in the inner portion of the face. So I'm kind of just patting up around the forehead here, and I'm going to bring it down onto the cheeks. Kind of just evens the skin tone. I like to put a little bit on the sides of the nose as well, just to get rid of some pores. So guys, the skin's complexion's already looking a lot better. You could stop here if you wanted to. Now I've actually gotten quite a few comments saying girls really find it attractive when guys take care of themselves. So gentlemen, this is just hygiene. In today's day and age, you're expected to look nice, especially on social media if that's something you're trying to do. So this is just hopefully helpful for you in that regard. Next, I'm just taking that setting powder. I put a little bit in the top of the lid here, and I'm just going to take a brush and stipple it into the highlighted areas. It's going to remove some of that texture, make our skin look like there's a filter on it, literally. And then I'm going to focus on the T-zone as well. So where your face gets greasy, that's where we want to put that. So just follow what I'm doing if you don't know what you're doing. Makeup can get expensive, but drugstore products these days are really good, and they last quite a while, especially when you're not using very much. After the setting powder, we're going to take our bronzer, just a little bit, and we're going to put it on the cheekbones and up on the temple and up on the forehead. It just warms the face a bit, and then I like to take it on the inner side of the nose. So we brought that warmth back to the face. You can see it. We've got that ring of light on our face there. And our last step is a tiny, tiny bit of blush. It can be really easily overused, so be careful with blush. I like to put it on the nose, the forehead, and just on the cheeks there. Gives you that smiley glow, you know what I mean? Hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, let me know.